All right, what is up, guys? How's it going? So, I'm Chef Tucker, and I'm super stoked about this recipe. Today, we're doing a Cajun-style blackened salmon. Are you guys ready to start cooking? Give me some thumbs up. Go ahead and grab your beautiful salmon. So it's been an absolute pleasure cooking with you this evening. It's been such a long time. I have missed you all terribly. I hope you enjoy your dinner. Keep cooking, all right? And I will catch you guys next time. Salud.